Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Fred Marquis Pinellas Trail, a scenic and popular biking route located in beautiful Palm Harbor, Florida. This trail is a 47-mile-long paved path that stretches from St. Petersburg to Tarpon Springs, offering a wonderful journey through the heart of Pinellas County. The trail was named after Fred Marquis, a former Pinellas County administrator who played a key role in its development. Opened in stages beginning in 1990, the trail has become a beloved recreational resource for both locals and visitors. It follows the path of an old railroad line which once connected the communities along Florida's west coast. This historical connection is still visible in some areas, with remnants of old train stations and railroad markers occasionally spotted along the way. The Pinellas Trail is not just a path for biking, it's also a gateway to exploring the rich history and culture of the region. As you ride, you might notice signs and markers that provide information about the local history and points of interest. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking to enjoy a leisurely ride, the trail offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey along the Fred Marquis Pinellas Trail in Palm Harbor, Florida. Thanks for watching.